This, of course, is a little bit different when we talk about Skinner or the behavior modificationist people like Pavlov, the condition. They're looking at people or even animals more in terms of almost we're like machines where we can create conditioned responses, rewarding good behavior with positive reinforcement and then punishing negative behavior with negative reinforcement. How would this differ from like cognitive therapy? Like behavior modification therapy is easy. You simply reward the client with when they do good things, and you create some sort of distress or punishment when they're doing negative or self-harm sorts of things. So how would that differ from like cognitive therapy? What's going on with this? Is a legit question from me. I'm not just fishing. Because a lot of people I know right now in therapy are telling me they're doing cognitive therapy. So let me try to put this in my own words to see if I got this right. So the cognitive, you're more working on people's thought processes, which will in turn affect their behavior, where the behaviorists are going right to the behavior, hoping that by changing the behavior, you can maybe eventually. See, that's my big problem with behavior modification. It's once the pressures or the rewards are gone, so too is the behavior. Yeah. If you didn't get a buy-in from the person on why they should be doing that behavior.
That's my understanding. I look at it as from the outside in, when I think it should be from the inside out.
Yeah, okay.
Can I draw with hands?
Yes, please.
So if you've got a circle and inside it's thoughts, and I would say perceptions, memories, all the ways we filter. And then you have an event, and the event goes into that circle of thoughts, and then out come emotions and behaviors. And a lot of times those emotions also might fuel the behavior. And so behavior therapy can work, and it does change behavior, but you're right, it doesn't change the system. If you can catch it, not even in the thoughts, but before, right at the moment the event happened, where you stop and you are aware of, let me filter this first before I feel or behave. It's powerful that you have the ability to stop and choose how you're going to see it, perceive it, filter it several different ways, then let the emotions and behaviors come. That it's long lasting, and that's cognitive behavior therapy. But both can work, but that's my perception of it.
Oh, thank you. That's very good.